Hey, Sharon Sheldon here from ContentSparks, and in this video, I am going to demonstrate to you how to use our PLR Profit Path AI tool. This is something I programmed for you in ChatGPT, though you do not have to have a paid ChatGPT account to use it. And it's going to help you decide how to use one specific ContentSparks product to get the fastest use in your business. So based on a specific product and your business, what are three of the fastest paths with one recommended and one simple minimum viable option so that you can decide how to move forward quickly with any of your purchases. Now, in this case, I've picked out three different ones to show you as a demo, and I've run those through already, and I'll show you the results that you'll get. Now, here on this page is just the home page for this GPT, this custom AI tool called your PLR Profit Path. I will share the link below this video and also for my subscribers in an email. When you do have that link, it'll open this immediately, and in the future you can pin that to your sidebar. I already have it, so it says hide from sidebar. Yours will say something like show or pin on sidebar, and then you would find it in your list of GPTs on the left, your PLR Profit Path. And it has some starter prompts here that you can try, or you can try using your own. I recommend just trying one of these because it's going to just ask you for the product name. So here's a demonstration of the first one. Now, you can, with the paid versions of any of these ChatGPT programs, pick the model that you want. In this case, I have a paid one, so I can pick Thinking, Instant. Pro, I don't recommend because that's really for something much more research intensive. I tend to use the Thinking one, but I'm demonstrating for both in this case because if you're using the free one, you probably just have the Instant. So here on this first one, I picked the prompt, help me choose the fastest way to profit from this PLR course with my audience. It asks me for the name. You want to give it the precise name so that it can look it up, or you can just give the URL. So in this case, I picked Create Your Ideal Customer Profile Workbook. That is on this page, but you might see it in a sale page or somewhere else. Just make sure you have the name of it precise or the actual URL so that it can look it up. And then it's going to look it up, look at what it's about, confirm a little bit, and it'll ask you to answer these four things. Who do you serve? What do you currently sell or deliver? What do you want this workbook to help your audience achieve? Which existing offer should this fit with, support, or avoid overlapping with? You don't have to have detailed answers to all of these. Just give it as much as you can. And it even says that's okay if you don't have every detail. Just do the best you can. So for this demo, I kept it really simple for someone who doesn't have a business yet. And I said, I haven't really started my business yet, but I want to help real estate brokers who are new to the business since that's my background. So you want to have at least some idea of who you want to serve. It's not going to tell you what your business should be. It's not there to help you start a business from scratch. Then I said for number 2, which was what do you currently sell? Nothing right now. So this example is for people who are brand new. I'll show you a couple others as well. And then 3 is just help them identify who they'll focus their business on. I did put in something general about what I would hope to achieve from this. And then 4, what existing offer should it fit with? I said, I don't have any right now. So very vague. It said, you're in a good spot for this workbook because you don't have any existing offers. It always gives a little positive feedback. And then it says, here's your fastest PLR profit move. Run it as a paid live workshop for new real estate brokers. Focus on helping them choose their first target client type. Why this is the best move? Audience is clear enough. New real estate brokers. Path with the fewest moving parts. That's path 1. New real estate brokers who need clarity on who to focus on first. Just a paid live workshop. And then it'll say how it supports your revenue, where it fits in your business. It can be your first client-facing offer. Path 2, it's going to give you some fit with current offers if you have them. In this case, it's brand new, so it's your first lower priced digital product. And that can be also used later once you already have an audience or list. And then it gives an idea for expanding options for later and where that would fit. But then it does say your recommended starting path and a smallest viable version. This is really helpful when you're going for speed. And it's saying do a single workshop. It gives a title, example, choose your real estate niche, create your ideal client profile as a new broker. That's just a starting title. You're probably not going to use that, but it's getting you thinking, and then you can continue on from there. And it says what to customize first. You only need 1 to 3 assets, the workbook, some examples, and slide titles. And it says what to leave for later because it's seeing from the sales page what else is included. And then it's going to prompt you to continue the conversation. So if you don't like what it suggested, you can say, hey, I want to do something different, or I actually want to go for path number 2. You don't have to do what it's suggesting. In this case, my first question in my mind was, well, how can I sell this if I don't already have a list of potential clients? That's a big question I hear all the time. So it looked at that and it gave some ideas who to reach out to and a clear outcome, things to say, selling people on the results. It gave ideas for how to approach people. And it continued with a bunch of different information that would really help me. And I could keep asking more questions. Smallest viable version, what to sell first. And it gave even a blurb that I could use for as an outreach message. And you would continue from there. So that was just one example. Now, in this case, I was using the instant answers one, even though it does say thought for 7 seconds. I can see at the bottom here, it doesn't say thinking. So I know I didn't use the thinking model, but I did use it in this other one. So in this case, I used the thinking model. I did the exact same prompts, went through, and it did give the layout a little bit differently for the answers, but they're still pretty much the same. So don't worry about having a paid versus free account to use this tool. Just slightly different answers. You might get some better things from the thinking model, but don't worry about it. Let's look at a couple other examples that I did. In this one, I used one of the other starter prompts. It was just help me find the fastest low lift use for this course in my business. And I used the client onboarding and early engagement PLR toolkit. That looks like this page. It helps people motivate their clients to take action. That's what the course is that it goes nicely with. But it's specifically on getting more momentum and early engagement when you have a new client. There's lots of details on the sales page. You don't have to worry about copying that. Your GPT, your AI tool is going to look that up. So I put that in, it thought about it. I am using the thinking model here, but you can use the instant one. And then I gave it different sorts of details. My first demo was for somebody that doesn't really have much of a business yet. In this one, I had a lot more detail. I said, I serve virtual assistants who are trying to adapt to the new world of AI. I sell group coaching, one-to-one coaching, courses, membership sites with resources. I want to help my VAs with onboarding their clients. And then for the last one, what it should fit with, I said it should fit with everything. Group coaching for all VAs at different stages of their business, one-to-one coaching, self-study courses, and listed a few different things. You don't have to list absolutely everything you offer. It looked at all of that and it gave the same type of layout, my fast PLR profit path. What's the fastest one? A client-facing resource kit inside my membership site. Said that's the easiest, why it is. That fewest moving parts, members who want a practical system right away, format, a downloadable resource kit. So this is the fastest with the fewest moving parts where it fits. And then it gave best fit with current offers. That's path 2 with group coaching, a 1-session workshop where it fits. And then a path 3, again, is expansion option for later. That third path will always be something where you can expand it. And then it went back to the starting path, smallest viable version, what to customize first. and how it connects to revenue, making revenue quickly. And then I could continue the conversation just like I did with the other. Now, for just one more example type of audience, this one has to do with another product. Remember, this is for just specific products. It's called How to Handle Tough Moments in Live Group Sessions. This is another workbook that can be a workshop. I gave it the precise title. I used one of the other prompts. How can I use this PLR quickly without building a big new offer? They're all pretty similar. Looked it up. And in this case, I gave another fictional example of a business where I served women entrepreneurs over 50 who are looking to start a side hustle while still in a full-time job with the intent of eventually working for themselves. Give as much information as you have. If you remember in the first example where the person didn't have a business really yet, I just said, I don't really know. I just generally know I want to serve this audience. I don't have any other offers yet. Here, I can be much more specific. What I already offer, group coaching with option for one-to-one. I want this product to help them when they need to do any type of webinars or presentations or similar leading of a group setting. You don't have to go into a ton of detail. You can also just look at the product and get some ideas from that as to what you want to get out of it. And then finally, what I want it to go with, if I wanted to go with something. It looks at all of that and gives me my profit path. Fastest one, it's saying, is a bonus workshop and workbook inside my group coaching. So this can be a little bit more extensive because I already have a business that has some things going on. It said why it's the first best move, fewest moving parts, and who it's for. In this case, it's for women in my program who are nervous about leading a webinar, workshop, info session, or group conversation for their side hustle. So it's going to be relevant to anyone in my audience who would need to lead some sort of group. Could be a meeting of some sort, or if they're teaching a course. The format, it would just be one live coaching call using the workbook. That's very simple, minimum viable, and it'll say the minimum viable things I need to do. Path 2 was where it fits with current offers. Path 3, how I can expand it for later. And then again, the recommended starting path and the smallest viable version, which is just one 45 to 60-minute bonus workshop, title idea, and so on, and how I position it. So it's giving a little more information as well, and the next step, and another question that you could ask it, or you can follow up to ask for more refinement, or tell it that you want something different. So it's open-ended there. You can continue to ask more questions. So again, the link to this will be under this video or wherever you are accessing it, whether it's an email from me or on our training page or somewhere else. I'll make sure you have the link to this PLR Profit Path, and you can come back and watch this video anytime you want. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm always here for you. Take care.